Here's your directions for Workplace Domino Top Draw. This is a partner game. You and your partner will need a set of dominoes. Make sure they're all flipped upside down so you can't see the dots. Then what you're going to do is take turns drawing from a domino. So player one drew this. What player one is going to do is going to add the two sides and tell your partner the sum. So 2 plus 0 is 2. Now it's player two's turn. They're going to draw a domino. Player two is going to do the same. They're going to add them together to get the sum. They have 3 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sum is 6. Then you're going to compare. The person with the larger sum gets to keep both of the dominoes. So we had a sum of 2 and a sum of 6. 6 is greater, so player 2 gets to keep these dominoes. You're just going to make a pile for what you get to keep. Then you're going to do it again. Player 1 is going to pick a domino. This time we have 5 and 3. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. The sum is 8. Then player 2 is going to draw a domino. Player 2 is going to do the same. We have 3 and 2. So we have 3, 4, 5. So our sum was 8 and 5. 8 is larger, so player 1 is going to keep these dominoes. You're going to continue to draw, add, and compare until you are out of dominoes.